And we're moving on to global update. New COVID-19 vaccine requirements have come into force in New York City. Meanwhile, Spider-Man No Way Home has become the first pandemic-era movie to make more than $1 billion at the global box office. More stories on today's International Minute. New COVID-19 vaccine requirements have come into force in New York City as infections continue to surge, fueled by the Omicron variant of the virus. Children aged 12 and over are required to show proof of full vaccination to access indoor dining areas and many extracurricular school activities. The city is also introducing a vaccine mandate for private sector workers, the first in the U.S. to take such an action. Jabs are already mandatory for state employees. There have been more COVID-related flight cancellations globally as the week starts, capping off a miserable festive period for thousands of people. More than 2,200 flights have been scrapped on Monday, with China's and U.S. destinations being the worst hit, the flight-aware data tracking website says. U.S. Airlines says the disruption is due to crews testing positive or isolating. The latest installment of the Spider-Man franchise has become the first pandemic-era movie to make more than $1 billion at the global box office. Spider-Man No Way Home also took the title of highest-grossing film of 2021. It beat out Chinese-made Korean War epic The Battle of Lake Changjin, which has grossed more than $905 million worldwide. The last movie to gross more than $1 billion was 2019 Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker, according to media data analytics firm Comscore. Japan's retail sales rose faster than expected in November thanks to decreasing COVID-19 cases in the month, which have encouraged shoppers to ramp up spending on goods and services. And to support the economy, the government on Friday approved a record $940 billion budget for fiscal 2022, including cash payouts to families and businesses hit by the pandemic. IDX Channel reports.